Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your GMC Sierra door panel. First, gather your essential tools, such as a trim removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by carefully locating all visible screws on the door panel, typically found in the armrest, door pull, and around the speaker grille. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove these fasteners, setting them aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the door panel away from the door frame using your trim removal tool. This will release the retaining clips holding the panel in place. With the panel slightly ajar, reach behind to disconnect all electrical connectors for components like power windows, door locks, and courtesy lights. Also, carefully detach the door handle and lock rod mechanisms, usually by unhooking a small clip or cable. After all electrical connections and mechanical linkages are disconnected, the door panel should be ready for full removal. Gently lift the entire door panel upwards. This action releases the top edge of the panel from the window channel or weather stripping. Once free, carefully pull the panel away from the door frame. Be mindful of any remaining hidden clips or wires. Store the removed panel in a safe, clean area to prevent any scratches or damage. When reinstalling, ensure all clips and fasteners align perfectly before gently pressing the panel back into place. Reconnect all electrical connectors for switches and lights, and reattach the door handle and lock rod mechanisms securely. Double-check that all wires are properly routed and not pinched. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.